Hi friends, this is Subrat here and this is the 93rd video on my Python series, and in this video I am going to explain about Python break statement. So from the name of the word break you can guess that you are just breaking something. So whenever the cursor is flowing from top to bottom it will flow step by step, and if you want to break or if you want to discontinue a particular step, then you can use the break statement over here. So break statement terminates a loop containing it. So generally break continue statements are used inside the loop only. So break statement is used to terminate a loop. Control of the program flows to the statement immediately after the body of the loop. So after terminating, whenever the control is finding break statement, it will just terminate that loop and it will come out from the loop itself. Whatever the statement after the break inside the loop, it will not execute that. It will come out of the loop directly, and after the loop only it will going to execute. If break statement is inside a nested loop, break will terminate the innermost loop only. It will not terminate the outermost loop. It will just terminate the innermost loop. If you have the nested loop inside for loop, if you have one more for loop, and inside that for loop if you are writing a break statement, then the break statement going to terminate the innermost loop only. It will come out of the innermost loop, then it will execute the outermost loop. So let us see where we can use the break statement. Suppose you want to search a particular number inside a list, whether the number is present or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 100. Suppose you want to search 100 is present inside my list or not. So for that I can run a for loop. For I in lst, if I equal to 100, I'm just printing found. Okay, and I'm just breaking the statement. I'm just breaking the loop. Okay, before that let me print what are the elements I have traversed. See here you can see, let me write this before if statement. 1 2 3 4 500 and found. So it hasn't came to 6 7 8 9. So if you are using the break statement, if some number or you are searching some element inside the list, if the element is getting found, then you don't have to search entirely. It is just keeping, or it is just not searching 6 7 8 9. It is going till 100 and 100 is getting found here. From there itself it is just breaking out from the for loop itself. So this is my only for loop I have, that's why it is breaking out from this for loop. So in this way you can use the break statement. So let me run one more program. Suppose I have strg string and inside that I have brt subrat. So I can run a for loop to iterate over a string. For I in strg, let's print I first, and if I equal to r, then print found. After founding it we can break the loop, no need of executing more. So here you can see subr, after that it is breaking here. So we are getting here error name found is not defined, so we have to give it as a string type. So till r it is searching and r is getting found here, that's why it is breaking out from the for loop. So friends, this is all about break statement. Break statement you can use to break a particular loop, I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.